What impact is the ongoing war in Ukraine having on global security right now? The effects are reshaping alliances, military strategies, and the balance of power worldwide in ways you might not expect. The war in Ukraine has prompted many nations to rethink their alliances. NATO has strengthened its unity and presence in Eastern Europe, while some countries are reassessing their ties with Russia. This shift is creating new diplomatic tensions and encouraging countries to build stronger defense collaborations. These realignments could influence global peace and security for years to come. The war has exposed vulnerabilities and changed how militaries approach combat. There is a surge in drone usage, cyber warfare, and precision missile strikes. Countries are investing heavily in modernizing their forces and adapting strategies to counter hybrid threats. This evolution in military thinking is likely to influence future conflicts globally. Economic sanctions against Russia are impacting global markets, especially energy supplies. Many countries face energy shortages and inflation, which can fuel unrest. The war's economic fallout is forcing nations to adapt quickly to volatile conditions, complicating diplomatic efforts and potentially increasing the risk of wider conflicts. The ongoing war in Ukraine is not just a regional conflict. It is a catalyst reshaping global security in profound ways. From shifting alliances to new military strategies and economic risks, its impact is felt worldwide. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.